Today we have the EVVA EPS XP. It is a slider sidebar, and it actually has a secondary sidebar that interacts with the key. And these little what look like dimple cuts, they're just a bar that goes into those grooves for key control. It's basically like a sidebar that interacts with just the key on the one side, and then the other side interacts with the sliders that interact with the cuts on the key. And it's a 5-pin, but as far as 5-pin locks go, it's a lot harder than a normal pin tumbler, that's for sure. Okay. And you got to be careful because you can actually slide your tensioner in to where it actually blocks the first slider from going all the way up. So I like to push the slider up, and then I'll push the tensioner into it and then back up just a hair. Alright, and we'll get started. Must have overset something already. It's hard to say. What one feels like it needs to go up still? Try 5. No, it doesn't feel like it. 3. It went. Dropped a lot of stuff though. I'm getting it up. It's alright. Work our way back through. Drop 2. Always drop everything with 2. 3, 4, 5. Now 5, there we go. I think we might be close. 2 again, come on, don't tell me. Yep. we go again. That's the thing about these sprung sliders. Once you get into a gate, getting back out is no easy task. Okay. Alright. Nope. What's low now? Probably. No, not 5. 3. Promising. Felt promising. No. Oh, wait. Come on, baby. Just 2. Damn, I can't drop 2 without dropping 5. Oh, that felt promising. Ha! Got it. Whew. Good Lord. 8 minutes minus about 45 seconds of talking in the beginning. Not bad for this thing, I can tell you. Alright, let me zoom out here. We will gut it. I've got it faster, but not much. Definitely not on camera. Just down. Let's see if I can get this out of here first. I'm gonna lock it back up. Okay. This thing's kind of tricky if I remember right. I need to open it. Is it like that, huh? Okay. Wait a minute. I gotta go get that side up, and then I can go under it. It's such a weird mechanism. Always a pain to get out. there it comes. Haha. Okay. And if I remember right, this bugger just, the whole thing just comes out. I don't think there's anything in the top or nothing. Just a solid. Yeah, let me set that down. And you can see where the sidebar goes in, and then the grooves for the sliders to go in and out if you overset. Alright, sidebar's out. Let me grab a pair of tweezers. Both sidebars come out. So the key sidebar, turn this down a little bit. Okay. So this one just has those grooves that match up with the key, and then it has that little button right there, and that is so one of the sliders will fall into it if there's no key in, and you turn it to a certain point. Then one of the sliders wouldn't, because it's for this would only work if you had drivers above it. Unfortunately, this particular lock doesn't have drivers, so that wouldn't come into play, but it would still work as key control. If you had the wrong key, then the key wouldn't be able to go in and turn, because that would stick out. The other sidebar, you can see, still has all of its notches and springs are in. I'll put that in 6. The springs up, and then this bad boy will go in 7. And I'll start taking the sliders out. See how they work. When they're all lined up, the sidebar just slides right into those grooves. Okay, I'm going to take them out one at a time. If I remember right, comes out this side, bottom. Slider 1 and the false gate. Spring. I don't know if I can grab that. Oh. Slider 2. Let's see the false gate on that one. It's taken me about as long to cut this thing as it is to pick it. Whoa. Easy now. See all the false gates on there. And the springs come on out of there. Well, that spring doesn't want to come out, does it? There it goes. Tiny little buggers. Alright, so there's the top, and that's just, it can go up or down, overset into the cylinder, so that it can't turn and whatnot. Actually, no, that's not true because they go all the way around, so it's just the sidebar that keeps it. Those are just for when it is set in place, those grooves that are in the cylinder here. Since they go all the way around, they wouldn't actually stop anything. That's just so they can go up. It's the sidebar grooves that stop it. Come to think of it. So, yeah. And then that's the bottom where the springs go and how you put the sliders in. Anyways, thanks for watching, everyone, and here's the key again. It's the EVVA EPS XP. There's a regular pin tumbler version that's not XP, and it's usually 6 pins, depending on the length of the cylinder, I assume. Anyways, like I said, have a great day. Thank you for watching. See you next time.